Hi, happy friends! Let's count from 1 to 15 with the help of these raindrops, these yellow thunders, and the clouds. What number do you see on this yellow thunder? Number 1. So let's put one raindrop on the cloud. 1. Next, we have number 2 on the thunder. So, let's put 2 raindrops on the cloud. 1, 2. 2 raindrops. Then we have number 3 on the yellow thunder. So let's put 3 raindrops on the cloud. 1, 2, 3. 3 raindrops. Next is number 4. So let's put 4 raindrops on the cloud. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 raindrops. Number 5 comes after 4. So this time we put 5 raindrops on the cloud. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 raindrops. Number 6 comes after 5. Let's put 6 raindrops on this cloud. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 raindrops. Then we have number 7 on this thunder. Let's put 7 raindrops on the cloud. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 raindrops. After 7, it's number 8. So let's put 8 raindrops on the cloud. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 raindrops. Next is number 9, and we're going to put 9 raindrops on the cloud. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 raindrops. Number 10 comes next. Let's put 10 raindrops on this cloud. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 raindrops. Number 11 comes next. So let's put 11 raindrops here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 raindrops. Next is number 12. Let's count 12 raindrops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 raindrops. And it's number 13. Let's count 13 raindrops this time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 raindrops. Number 14 comes next. Let's count 14 raindrops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 raindrops. Number 15 is the next one. So let's count 15 raindrops on the cloud. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 raindrops. Thanks for watching and counting all these raindrops with me. You did a great job. Come back soon. Bye.